In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the advanced settings and other defaults in QuickBooks Online. If you're looking to customize your QuickBooks experience, this is an essential part of tailoring the software to meet your unique business needs. So let's dive right in and explore how you can navigate these advanced settings to optimize your QuickBooks Online account. To begin, you'll want to locate the gear icon, which sits prominently at the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online interface. This icon is your gateway to various settings and preferences within the software, so keep an eye out for it whenever you need to make adjustments to your account. Give it a click, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Account and Settings. This is where you find all the critical configurations for your QuickBooks account, from basic company details to advanced features. Once you're in Account and Settings, you'll notice multiple tabs listed along the left-hand panel. For today's tutorial, our focus is on the Advanced tab. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. Now that you're in the Advanced Settings section, you're greeted with a myriad of options that allow you to fine-tune your QuickBooks experience. These settings are designed to align the software with your business's specific requirements, so it's worth taking the time to explore each option carefully. For instance, under this tab, you have the ability to assign a new starting month for your fiscal year. This is particularly handy for businesses that operate on a non-calendar fiscal year. Another important configuration here is the choice between the accrual method and the cash method of accounting. The decision here depends on how you track and report income and expenses, so select the option that best aligns with your business's financial strategies. Additionally, you have the flexibility to enable or disable various features that can greatly enhance your bookkeeping process. For example, tracking classes or locations can be enabled here, which allows you to get more granular with your financial reporting. You can also opt to enable account numbers for your chart of accounts, a feature that offers a structured approach to managing your finances. If your business deals in multiple currencies, you'll find options here to change your home currency or enable the multi-currency feature. This is critical for businesses engaging in international transactions and helps streamline financial operations across different currencies. These settings are just a highlight of what's possible. Spend some time navigating through the options to discover more ways you can customize QuickBooks Online to better serve your business's needs. Adjusting these advanced settings can significantly impact the efficiency of your financial tracking and reporting. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can ensure your QuickBooks setup is tailored exactly to your business requirements. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope these insights help make your QuickBooks experience more effective and personalized. Remember to subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.